Sing it right. What can that mean? It means sing it right. Don't make mistakes. No matter what language you sing in, you should always make sure you don't make mistakes. Singing is also a job, like every other that you need to prepare for and train for. This is not a course to learn how to sing. Hopefully you can sing already, and hopefully you can already speak English, because if you can't, what are you doing singing in English? This course will teach you how to sing correctly in English so as you don't sound like a foreign person. Singing the way we do. Well, not I do, I can't sing. That's why we have Silvia Girotto, a vocal coach and an amazing singer, so she can correct you. But like I said, this is not a course to learn how to sing. So if somebody says to me again, I want to learn how to sing, don't come to me, go to a vocal coach. I've worked with singers now for a very long time, and so this is why we've decided to put together this course for you. Singers who want to have international success. Okay, your songs have to be good, but at least you'll have good English pronunciation. If English is not your mother tongue and you like to sing in English, contact us today so that we can help you sing it right. If you want to sing in the language of your own country and only have success in your own country, then fine. I don't care. That's your choice. But if you want international success, we are here to make sure you don't make mistakes. In our course, you will learn how to pronounce words correctly when you sing, how to blend the words together correctly when you sing, and all the little tips and tricks that nobody teaches you. We are here to do that for you. We will teach you how to sing it right. And in this case, in English. We didn't call the course Singlish because Singlish is the English of Singapore. Did you know? We did. We didn't. We found out. So join our course and learn how to sing it right, because you never know who's in the audience. If I'm be honest is not English. We will teach you how to sing these words correctly in our course. Also because we don't want you to make a fool of yourself when you're on the stage of Wembley Stadium. Do you? There are limited spaces, so please get in touch as soon as possible if you're interested. So remember, sing it right, not wrong. Please.